internet, I have Simply Gilded's Life's a Peach box to unbox for you today. I think this is either May or June, I'm not 100% sure. And I don't know, I'm really excited because this is the first box that has come very intact. Like, no, like it's not squished or anything. So the mail was really working in my favor this time, and it came in very perfect condition. And that's a big deal because I know this box traveled all the way from America to Australia, which is not an easy trip to make. So enough babbling, let's just get onto the unboxing. I'm gonna pull stuff out as I go. Oh, I think I have a pen like this. I think I have two pens like this. It's basically a twist ballpoint pen. I'm not gonna try it because I feel like everybody knows what this pen is like. It's a pretty average pen. I don't love writing with it because I feel like it's very heavy, and I'm not a big fan of heavy pens. And then, oh, this is the card. Gotta keep the, oh, it's May. All right, I'm wrong. This is actually a May box. All right, not a June box, it's a May box. And then we have the washi tape, which I'll save to last because I feel like that's kind of like main event of everything. We've got this little bow. There we go. It's like an adorable, adorable little bow. But this, I think, just thinking this chain, if I was to actually hang it, it would hang upside down or kind of sideways. So I don't know if I would actually use this little hanger thing. But the bow itself is really cute. And then we have, ooh, okay, we've got some paper clips. So we've got like a peach paper clip and a relaxed paper clip, and is this another bow paper clip? Yeah, another bow paper clip. I'm not gonna take them out. I always find that once I start taking them out, I put them in my little paper clip bin, and then they can get mangled and stuff like that. So I'm gonna keep this. And then we have these envelopes. Oh no, it's the little book. All right, let me open the little book. I think this is like the dot grid book that they usually come with these. That I've actually been looking for a holder. Oh no, it's blank. Okay, so this month is completely blank. Cool. I've been looking for a way to keep all my notebooks together, and I found some, but it's expensive. And it's not really something I want to pull the trigger on yet, so I think I might just wait. Maybe when there's a sale on, maybe I'll wait, but I don't really need it. It was just more something I'd like to keep all my books together, but it's a want, it's not a need. And then some cardstock, just peachy. And then we have the sticker sheet, which I'm just gonna take that to show you. I feel like this plastic wrap reflects the light too much, and then it's really hard to see inside. But as I've mentioned before, the stickers that come with Simply Gilded tend to be on the thicker side. So, and it's all foil, beautiful gold foiling, perfectly peachy, meal plan. And I think some of these would fit in an Erin Condren as well. So yeah, that's the sticker sheet. I'm gonna go ahead, open up the washi tape, and let's go through those. All right, I'm back, and here are the 5 washi tapes. I keep forgetting that she tends to stack the 2 thin ones together, so it looks like 4, but it's actually 5. Beautiful washi tape, love them so much. So gold foiling, and they're very peach inspired. You've got your bows here, a bigger bow version. You've got some beautiful quotes on this one. I love this like check. Yes. Sorry, my cat's sitting with me right now. She's very demanding. She just wants to be petted. We've got this red checkered with gold foiling, and then this last one, which is kind of like the theme of the kit, is a bunch of peaches with some gold foiling in the branches. Okay, I think my cat's telling me I need to stop filming, go play with her. So, yeah. Okay, all right. Anyways, I finished unboxing everything, so I'm gonna go play with my cat. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.